Put it in your basket, Andy.
Uy, kayo sa ito. I have a ball, but it's already not dry.
You put it in your basket.
It's not dry.
Very good, Sai.
Mommy.
Very good. Put it there.
Inside this one. Don't return it. Ah! Put it there.
Put it there.
There. Oh, come on. Let's look for the one.
Andy,
Binabalik
there,
ko
oh,
ito.
the white one. Andy.
Andy.
Sai, come here. There, oh. I found it. Sai, come here.
Very good.
Where?
Talo ka pa ni Andy eh.
I got my strawberry.
Ay, may ito ng aagaw.
Raisa, go get the other.
I got it.
Why? You can also get this one, the chocolate one, not just the egg. This one also.
Choco. Oh, I love chocolate. I like chocolate.
Yeah, those are chocolates.
I got it.
Wow, Sai! Yay!
I want chocolate.
Okay, there are chocolates. Ayan, ang dami. Oh. Hindi ko na nga tinago ng ayos.
Wala na egg. Nakuha na nila lahat ng egg.
Ilan ba yung eggs?
Meron pa, oh, may egg. May egg. May egg.
Get the chocolates na!
Egg. Egg.
Ano ba kaya?
Egg.
Ayan naman, you have eggs now. There, oh, you have eggs. Oh, you swap eggs. Right.
Right, just swap berry. One egg.
Swap. Exchange. I'll give one. Which one do you want? No. Oh, you exchange. Okay, it's okay, Raisa. You're a good girl.
Wow. Nakuha na lang ng egg.
Oo, wala yun.
Ay, tayo lang egg.
Kinuha ni si Raisa yung isa.
Raisa, you give one to Sai. Ay,
Hawak lang.
teka, si Raisa ang naubusan.
Ayaw niya ng egg. Kuya.
Ito ko na rin. Chocolate egg.
There are a lot of chocolate eggs.
My all chocolate. Get me egg. Yeah, I found it.
Ay, found it egg. Dinadaan sa iyak.
Hey, look, I got an egg here. I got one egg here.
Okay, then you put it there.
And it's so heavy. I got all chocolate.
Okay, no more. Okay, Raisa, that's a lot.
Yeah.